Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Smart Learning with Sontak Kesar. Today we are going to study class 10th Math first chapter Linear Equation in Two Variables. In this chapter, unit is solve the given simultaneous equation by determinant method. This method is also called as Cramer's rule. Let's see what is a determinant. If A, B, C and D are any four numbers, then A, B, C, D is called the determinant. Here A, B, C, D, in this A, B and C, D, these two rows are there, and A, C and B, D are the two columns. A, B and C, D are rows which is shown here, and AC, BD are columns. Means here these two are row and these two are columns. Then the degree of the given determinant is 2 because there are two rows and two columns. Each row contains two elements and each column contains two elements. Therefore the degree of this determinant is 2. If like this way A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, like this determinant is there, then the degree of determinant is 3. But here two rows, two columns, each row and each column contains only two elements, therefore degree is 2. Degree of this determinant is 2 because there are two elements in each column and two elements in each row. Determinant represents a number which is AD minus BC. Means the value of the given determinant is AD minus BC is a value of the given determinant. Here AD minus BC, that is the determinant AB CD, the value of this determinant is AD minus BC. Therefore AD minus BC is the value of determinant ABCD. Determinants usually are represented with capital letters as A, B, C, D, etc. For example, find the value of determinant A 5, 3, 7, 9. Means here generally determinants represent by the capital letters. Here we want to find the value of this determinant. So AD into BAD minus BC is the value of given determinant. First write down the given determinant as it is, then 5 into 9, product of these two, minus 3 into 7. If we simplify this, 5 9s are 45 and 3 7s are 21, means 45 minus 21. The subtraction is 24. Therefore, the value of the given determinant is 24 and this is the answer. Now we will see the determinant method, that is Cramer's rule. Using determinant, simultaneous equations can be solved easily and in less space. This method is known as determinant method. This method was first given by Swiss mathematician Gabriel Cramer, so it is also known as Cramer's method. In Cramer's method, when we use the Cramer's method, first write the given equation in standard form because there are two equations. Here a1x plus b1y is equal to c1 and a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. In this form, that is standard form, write the given equation. So to use Cramer's method, the equations are written as a1x plus b1y is equal to c1 and a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. Give the numbers to these equations, that is a1x plus b1y is equal to c1 is equation first and a2x plus b2y is equal to c2 is the equation second. Then here in these two equations, x and y are the variables. a1, b1, c1 and a2, b2, c2 are the real numbers. In this, the value of a1, b2 minus a2, b1 is not equal to 0. Then how to write the values of d, that is determinant, dx and dy, that we will see. Here x and y are variables. a1, b1, c1 and a2, b2, c2 are real numbers. a1, b2 minus a2, b1 is not equal to 0. By using this, we will write the value of d. What is the value of d? Here d is equal to a1, b1 and a2, b2. Here for this d there is no any variable. So we can eliminate c1, c2 and write coefficients of both the variables in these two equations. If we write dx, here dx is there, so eliminate the coefficients of the x. Then dx will be c1, c2 and b1, b2. If we write dy, then eliminate the coefficients of variable y and write the remaining terms, that is c1, c2, a1, a2. In this way we can write d, dx and dy. So dx is equal to c1, c2, b1, b2, means this is a value of dx. In this, coefficients of x variables are not taken. Then find the value dy, that is c1, c2, b1, b2. Here dy is there, so eliminate the coefficients of variable y and write the remaining coefficients here. In this way you can write, because this is important. Then by using this, write the values of x and y. So x is equal to dx upon d and y is equal to dy upon d. Therefore the value of x and y is the solution of given simultaneous equation. Therefore xy is the solution of given simultaneous equation. Now we will see steps of Cramer's method of solving simultaneous equation. In this, first step is to write the determinants d, dx and dy. Remember the sequential order of the columns. Means first write down the values of d, dx and dy. The order of column is a1, a2, b1, b2 and c1, c2. Second step is, while writing the value of d, omit the column c1, c2. So d is equal to a1, a2, b1, b2. Already I explained. Means when we are writing the value of d, omit the column c1, c2. Third, for writing dx, omit the column of coefficient of x in d, that is a1, a2, and take the column of constants, that is c1, c2 in its place. Therefore dx is equal to c1, c2, b1, b2. Fourth step is, for writing dy, omit the column of the coefficients of y in d, that is b1, b2, and take the column of constants, that is c1, c2 in its place. Therefore dy is equal to c1, c2, b1, b2. Now Cramer's method of solving simultaneous equations. What are the steps again? In short, see, write the given equation in the form of x plus by is equal to c. Means write in the standard form. Then find the values of determinants d, dx and dy. Next step is find the values of determinant. And at last, using x is equal to dx upon d and y is equal to dy upon d, find the values of x and y. Here we will see one activity. Complete the following activity. Here two equations are given. This is first equation, this is second equation. So write this equation and give the number. And this is a second equation, that is 2x plus y is equal to 16. By using this, then write the value of d, determinant. For that what we are doing? We are eliminating the constants and write the remaining coefficients of the variable x and y, that is 3, 2, minus 2, 1. So here will come 3, 2, minus 2, 1. Then simplify. How to simplify? 3 into 1 minus 2 into 2 means multiply these two, you will get the value of d. Here 3 ones are 3, 2 twos are 4, minus 4, here minus will be plus, so 3 plus 4, that is 7, means here value will become 7. Then next is dx. For writing the determinant dx, we are eliminating the coefficients of variable x and instead write these constants c1 and c2, means 3, 16, minus 2, 1 are the rows of the determinant x, that is 3 minus 2 and 16, 1. Simplify this, means 3 into minus 1 minus 2 into 16. 3 ones are 3, 16 twos are 32, minus plus, that is 3 plus 32 is 35. Here in this box answer will become 35. Now write the dy. dy means eliminate the coefficients of the variable y and write the constants and coefficients of the x variable. Therefore 3, 3, 2, 16 or 3, 2, 3, 16. Simplify this, 3 into 16 minus 3 into 2, that is 48 minus 6, that is 42. Now these are the values of a, d, dx and dy. Substitute here, x is nothing but dx upon dy. Then what is value of dx is 35 and value of d is 7. Simplify this, 7 ones are 7, 7 fives are 35. Therefore in this box 5 will be come. Similarly y is nothing but dy upon d. Substitute the values of dy and d, that is 42 upon 7, and simplify this, 7 ones are 7, 7 six are 42. Therefore here answer will become 6. Therefore xy is equal to 3, 5 is the solution of given simultaneous equation. In this way, in limited space we will solve the simultaneous equation. In next video we will see the practice set 1.3.